Hey everyone, this is Nick Molina with Embrace Tutoring. In this video, we'll be covering number 20 from the non-calculator math section of the College Board Practice Test 10. Remember, these videos provide additional explanations and content review, but you'll always want to attempt the problems independently. Before we begin, do us a favor and subscribe to the link below to receive the most recent videos and practice problems. Okay, let's get started. So for number 20 here, it says if u plus t equals 5 and u minus t equals 2, what is the value of the quantity u minus t times the quantity u squared minus t squared? Okay. So the first thing I notice is that they tell us what u minus t is equal to, and the expression they are asking us to evaluate has a u minus t. So I'm just going to replace that with what I know it's equal to, which is 2. And that's just substitution. Now the problem is I don't see any more u plus t's and I don't see any more u minus t's. So we have to be able to change this expression in order to continue solving. So what this is going to involve is us to recognize a special pattern called a difference of squares. So a difference of squares appears as something that looks like this. Where a squared and b squared are perfect squares, it's going to factor to something where it's the square root of both terms, and then the sign in between them becomes a plus and a minus. So this is a special pattern called difference of squares. So if you can recognize this in this problem, notice that u squared minus t squared is a difference of squares. You could factor this to u plus t and u minus t. And here we go again. Now we have another u minus t we know is 2. Now they tell us that u plus t is 5 in the problem. So now we're left with an expression that we can evaluate. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. This is a fill in your own response, so you'll bubble in the answer 20. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this solution or if you solve this one in a different way, please be sure to put them in the comments